Hi, I'm Anastasia Eden from kindearth.net, and today in my kitchen I have just made my mushroom chickpea burgers from my book Angelicious. If you do like super healthy plant-based food, please do go check it out. It's available all over the world via online booksellers, and sometimes I do sell signed copies myself, so please do check that out and I think you'll absolutely love it. But in the meantime, let me show you how easy it is to make these delicious, delectable, gluten-free, plant-based mushroom chickpea burgers. Let's go. So let's have a little look in there. Oh, it's delightfully crisp on the outside and lovely and moist. This goes really nicely with roast potatoes, potato wedges, rice, quinoa, salads. It's very versatile. It serves nicely with your favorite sauce too. I do hope you like this as much as I do. Please do go and check out my book Angelicious. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.